Geography and mapping are key to encouraging communication in our communities. Now, last year we launched local maps for New Zealand local government. And to start, we're going to look at some of what's new in our latest release, Local Maps 1.1. Here in the Local Maps gallery, I have a central destination to access my organisation's public maps and applications. Local Maps allows us to feature important or topical maps. Our content is categorised based on tags, and we can search for specific maps in the gallery. The viewer here is a template as part of the Local Maps package. The viewer provides a simple and intuitive user experience. Widgets can be tailored to the map content, and you can easily flick between the web maps in your gallery. Now, new to 1.1, we have enhanced reporting. Simply by selecting a parcel, users can generate rich, multi-page reports directly from the pop-up. And these reports can be built right here in the web. In the admin tools, we have a series of tabs to configure different parts of local maps. In the Reports tab, we can quickly build such reports by simply configuring or adding new map, text, or table elements. These can then be reordered as needed. We can set up data sources, either from ArcGIS services or a relational database, and then we can use these to configure query parameters or searches. These can then be added to our maps. By selecting our web map, we can now pick and choose the widgets, prints, searches and reports that will be available for that viewer, so your users have the right tools they need to access the right information. Also part of the Local Maps package is the configuration of your open data, and with Open Data 2.0, there are plenty of new features to get excited about. Open Data is an exploratory tool to easily search for datasets. These datasets users can then download and use in their own applications, like these demographics for emergency management. Now, new in Open Data 2.0 are pages. Every dataset you publish has a story and can be used to drive change in your community. With Open Data 2.0, team members can begin to add depth to your open data site by creating these pages. Pages allow you to embed media, charts, and focus datasets on a particular topic. You can showcase your applications, tell narratives, and focus the public on key initiatives like resilience. They also have a familiar editor experience in which you can edit page information or drag elements from the layout builder, like charts. This way, open data teams can start to provide more insight into your data, like here with the number and type of civil defence centres. Now, when you launch an Open Data 2.0 site, this is automatically added as a new item into your My Contents. A new group is also automatically created, called the Open Data Collaboration Group. This group allows the teams working on your open data to easily access and administer the site, but also any pages you create. So you can see here that these are actually web applications themselves. Now your teams can easily configure initiative-based pages simply by being a member of your open data collaboration team. And finally, we have story maps. Story maps are a great way to communicate with the community and tell better stories, whether map-centric, as we saw with the shortlist earlier, or as an immersive narrative experience, like here with the Cascade story map on the National Freedom Camping Project. So with the ability to now create image galleries, we can add even more visual content to our stories to complement the text and embedded maps. So as you can see, there are a number of ways to engage the community. It's really a question of who you're trying to reach and what story you're trying to tell. With ArcGIS, there really is an option for everyone.